Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and this is another episode of Nope, I am not unboxing this device. This is the Google Clips. Some of you guys probably never even heard of the Google Clips. Well, the Google Clips was kind of like this smart camera, hands-free camera. You could set it to capture moments on its own. It will remember faces that you suggest. It'll, if you just clip it onto something and just leave it, it'll take pictures for you. Basically, you could also do live preview with this thing, and I was really into this. And you're probably wondering, why didn't you open this? It's 4 years old. Well, back in 2017, my intent when I got it was to open it, but I don't know what happened. I think I just forgot about it, or I just didn't get around to it, and so it's just sealed. Yeah, this is the Google Clip. So here are some of the specs right here. Up to 3 hours of smart capture, 16 gigs of storage, no internet connection either because it connects to your device. Gorilla Glass 3, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth LE, Type-C charging, 1.5 aperture pixel size and 15 frames per second. And it's 130-degree field of view. This is, I've seen other people's samples on this, and you know, I don't know. I thought it was pretty good. That's why I jumped on it. So officially, the Google Clips is a hands-free camera with built-in Google Smarts that effortlessly let you capture and view more of spontaneous moments with the people and pets who matter to you. This is what Google says. Yeah, that's just what it says. Google Clips captures hand-free moments of grace, and boom, boom, boom. There it is. Yeah, so this was something that I did want to try out, and this might be one that I open later, but it is definitely supported by Android and iOS. It has features like hands-free capture, MomentIQ. MomentIQ, it says that MomentIQ is clips that are smart enough to recognize great impressions, lightings, and framings. So basically, it'll grab something that it thinks is beautiful, or moments that you might not be able to get back. And what you do is you clip this somewhere where you want to grab those moments. So you could clip it in your child's bedroom or your living room, wherever you feel like there's going to be a moment that you might want to grab. Yeah. And it also does familiar faces. So once it starts to learn and recognize the people that you have around you with these clips, it'll start to take more of those people, is what it does. And it says it has a file transfer, which is really fast. So you can do streaming clips to the Clips app. You can just drop it over like that. It says you don't have to use any wires or anything like that, but you know, that's apps sometimes can be finicky. But yeah, you got live preview too as well. So this is pretty interesting. I will probably open this one at some point or another. But things like this was, I believe, $250 when I got it, man, in 2017. And believe it or not, some places are still selling these brand new for $190 or so. So you can find them used for $99, used for $40. I don't know the condition, but yeah. So what's inside of here? You get the Google Clips, the clip stand, the Type-C to USB-A charging cable, and then that's it. That's what you get. Yeah, that's what you get. So the file format is MP4s, basically videos, and you got GIFs and then JPEGs with no audio. So JPEGs with embedded MP4. So it requires a Google Pixel, and get this, it requires a Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy S7 or S8 phone running Android 7 Nougat or greater. For a list of devices, go to g.co/clips /help. That is crazy, man. Or /. That's just crazy, man. This was something that I really was about to get into, and I just never did. I just never did, man. And I really wanted to, but I think at this point in the game, there's no need to. This is a good collector's item. Do I feel like I threw money out the window? Nah, because you never know when something's going to be worth value. Or Google might hold a contest and say, hey, those who still have their clips, everybody will start running out buying clips. It could be anything. But this is pretty cool camera, man, and it didn't really take off, I think, and so that's why they might have stopped producing it. This was kind of like those one-time deals. A lot of companies have those one-time deals that just happen, you know. So, yeah, there it is, man. The Google Clips. I will not be unboxing this one. I can't believe some of the stuff I have in my shed. And it's not like these things are just boxed away and stored away. I actually have them close by. I have a couple of storages, and I go through my storages from time to time, like almost every other day. And when I saw this, I was like, wow, man, I was supposed to cover this a long time ago, like 4 years ago. But if you look on YouTube or look online, you'll see clips, no pun intended, of how this thing actually really works. And I thought it was pretty cool at the time. I think it's still pretty cool right now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.